Hello everybody, my name is Kasper Larsson. I'm the creator of the Producer Essential course by Manu. In this course we'll do shot breakdown of a short film and we'll actually make a budgeting system for it, set up teams and so on. We'll also talk about, most of the time we'll talk about with the beginning and how we approach a project from the beginning in a shot breakdown. And as you can see here, what we'll be doing is just setting up Excel arcs and Google Sheets, making out timing, talking to our supervisors, basically taking a full production as an example. After we've done our shot breakdown, we ask our supervisors for asset breakdowns. We know how to structure that and put that into a timesheet. We break down all our assets into individual tasks so we can control what we need for our production. After we have the full setup of our production, we can start doing a quote, and with that quote we can try to figure out how we can actually set up a time sheet for our production to see if our production is actually doable within the needed time for our clients. And while we're doing that, we're pushing back and forth. We're doing scheduling for the entire production, but also for the individual artists. At the same time, we talk a little bit about formatting, how to set up a contact form. We connect our sheets in between each other, so even though they are all separated into different arcs, we're having the same document for everything, which means that for the production side of our production, we can actually make everybody see where we are constantly. Just for the management team, then we talk about how to set up a contact sheet and how we contact people, how we do right negotiation tactics for money. After that, we set up weekly sheets for our individual artists. So first of all, we build a regular sheet, then a weekly sheet. After that, we set up a cash flow chart that kind of tells us when to get money from our clients. When we're trying to go from freelance to a full production house, we need to make sure that we get in more money because we are taking care of more people, and the more artists that we have in-house, the more money we're putting up. So part of our negotiation tactic is also about how to make and get money into the company. After we are done with setting up the Cashflow Essentials and we're setting up the production pipeline and the production itself, we talk a lot. I'm taking you through how to create contact sheets and statement of works, how to do all the legal papers that you need for production. So anything from invoicing to actual production setup to purchase orders, how we make it logical for our clients, how we make it easy, and what the difference is between all of these documents. That can be quite confusing for people who haven't done this before. Really, it's not that hard, but a lot of the stuff is something that's not available anywhere. So I think it's on time that we kind of unravel and demystify this process together. Talk about the statement of work, purchase orders, and NDAs, what they are, what they mean, what they're supposed to contain, how many documents you need to send out, and who needs to get these documents. At the end, I talk about the different production tools that we're using in production, anything between Shotgun and Monday.com, or Slack versus email, how we do email corresponding in between ourselves and how we do email corresponding in between our clients, how I use my Trello board and how I structure my daily routines, how I delegate my work, and how I basically set up my entire production from one end to the other. As of right now, this is the most complete producer essential class that you'll find online for making films and making commercials. Hopefully I'll see you in the course, and see you soon.